guys, welcome to another episode of Interesting Chinese Things, honking etiquette. First of all, not a lot of honking going on in the United States, unless you live in LA or NYC, and most times it's something you do to tell other drivers they're a dumbass. However, in China, honking is the norm. Most people use it as a heads up. For example, honk to signal the car next to you to not change lanes as you're in their blind spot. Honk to let cars merging onto the main road know you're coming up close. Honk to let another car know they have crossed over into your lane, etc. It's mainly used as an excuse me or hey look out. And of course it can also be used as a fuck you dumbass. Really depends on the situation. Most times, not that hostile.